Understanding Watch the Budget, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, watch the budget. Understanding this phrase is not just about translating the words, but also about grasping the context in which it's used. So, if you're ready to dive in, let's get started. Watch the budget combines two key words, watch and budget. Watch here means to monitor or keep an eye on something carefully. A budget refers to an estimate of income and expenditure for a set period of time. So, putting them together, watch the budget means to carefully monitor your spending and income. This phrase is often used in both personal and professional contexts. In a personal setting, it might be advice to someone managing their household expenses. In a business context, it could be a reminder to a team to not overspend on a project. It's a cautionary phrase, implying that there is a limit to how much can be spent. Let's see some examples. 1. We have to watch the budget this month. We spent too much last month. 2. Our company is trying to save money, so we need to watch the budget closely. These examples show how the phrase can be used to convey the importance of financial prudence. A common mistake is to confuse watch the budget with cutting expenses drastically. The phrase usually implies careful monitoring, not necessarily reducing expenses. It's about staying within financial limits, not eliminating them entirely. And that's a wrap on Watch the Budget. I hope this video helps you understand not just the phrase itself, but the context in which it's used. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the nuances. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.